Here we have example 2, which says write each of the following numerals in Roman symbols. So this time we're going to Roman numerals from our Hindu Arabic. Okay, so we have 4 different examples here, and I want you guys to go ahead and pause and see if you can figure them out, and then we'll come back together. So pause now. Okay, hopefully you have some answers and you're wanting to see if you're correct. So let's see if we can do this together. So our first number here is a 1, and it's in the hundreds position, so that's 100. Well, in Roman numerals, that would be a C. Then we have a 2 in the tens position, so tens in Roman numerals are X's, so we would have 2 X's. Then we have a 1 in the ones position, so in Roman numerals that would be an I, so it would be CXXI. For the part B, it says the number 42. So we have a 4 in the tens position. Well, we can't put 4 X's together because you can't put more than 3 at a time. So we're going to have to do this as a subtraction. So the next number up, bigger than that, would be 50. So we could take 10 away from 50, writing it as XL, meaning 10 from 50, which would be 40. And then we have a 2 in the ones position, which would be II, so for 2 ones. Now part C says 91. So again, 90, well, we could say that 90 would be 50 plus 4 tens, but the problem is that we can't write 4 X's together, so we can't do that. Instead, we're going to have to use a subtraction. So the next number closest in a Roman numeral up would be 100, and that's a C. So we would have to take away 10 from 100 and writing it as XC. And then we have a 1 in the ones position, so that would be XCI. Now then our last one, we have 2014. So if we go through this step by step, we have 2 in the thousands position, so that would be MM. So for 2000, there's nothing in the hundreds position, so we don't need to write anything. There's a 1 in the tens position, which would be an X. And then there's 4 in the ones position, but we cannot write 4 ones. That would be too many in a row. So we're going to have to go the next number higher and subtract. So we're going to have to take 1 away from 5 to mean 4. So this is how we would write 2014.